we have seen the step 1. The step 2 is to install MongoDB and its client MongoBooster. MongoBooster is one of the best client of MongoDB, primarily because it has two key features, that is IntelliSense, and it has code snippets support. So you can see the code snippets as well as you will be getting IntelliSense for any kind of method. So to download MongoDB, just Google for MongoDB downloads. It takes you to the MongoDB download center. Click on this. I'll be using the Windows version. Click on the MSI file. It's a straightforward installation. Once MongoDB installation is done, you need to run the mongod.exe. This is the server process under this path, that is C program files MongoDB server 3.2 or 3.4 bin. And then you just need to run this mongod.exe process. You can run this by double clicking or you can run through command line. Prior to this, there is a very key step that needs to be done. That is, you need to give a data directory to MongoDB. MongoDB generally expects the data DB in this path, that is C data DB. So create this folder and then start the server process. You can double click it or you can run through the command line. So it's cd paste here, then mongod.exe. So that's it. Once you are able to see this particular line waiting for connections on port 27017, this is the default port for MongoDB. It means that your server is started successfully. The next step is to install MongoBooster. That's very easy. Search for MongoBooster downloads. Click on the link. You'll be getting a fully functional version for 60 days. The installation is very straightforward. Download and install. Once installed, you just need to run the MongoBooster process just by clicking here. The connection is very easy. You just need to create a connection. The default values will be auto-populated. Press test connection. It will be successful. Once that is successful, just save and connect. Now I have successfully connected to the MongoDB server. As you can see here, I have many databases pre-created on MongoDB and they are getting listed. Under databases, I'll be having collections. So click on that, you'll be shown the collections. So these are the collections. For instance, in this collection, I have around 24 documents. So this gives me the documents. The data is presented in tabular format, but the true format is on JSON format. So this is the format in which the data will be presented to you, but MongoBooster is giving you options to view the data either in tree format or in tabular format or in the true JSON format.